My name is Ronnie Beno. I'm the owner of Autotech in Culver City, California. We are specialized in the German cars, BMW, Mercedes, Volkswagen, and Audi. We are specialized, certified, and approved by manufacturer, and that's our standing for the craftsmanship and quality service for the client. We are specialized in the German automobiles such as BMW, Mercedes, Volkswagen, Audi. We have all the certifications, support from the manufacturer. We use only factory items such as Accentry, Vacal, and ISTA. That's why we are certified and approved, and that's how we get all our best clients, and we attract the best technician to work with us to help our clientele. The best way to contact us is via our email, bmwminirepair@gmail.com, or our website, which is bmwmercedesrepair.com. Thank you. Please join us. We are ready and waiting for you to your success.